In our consulting experience, we have learned that many organizations actually succumb to growth. We at PHI enable organizations to be prepared for growth, to really work on developing systems, policies, processes, and overall organization and its people to be really prepared for growth.
PHI was started about 8 years ago. We deliver all aspects of HR, right from strategic HR to core HR and also talent acquisition for various organizations. The strategic HR vertical is driven by 3 very senior partners.
This is focused on helping organizations improve their productivity, bring accountability, improve their engagement levels.
In terms of core HR, which is actually the end-to-end HR that we deliver for the organization or clients,
wherein we become the HR partners and we take care of all their people needs, be it recruitment to performance management to compliances, life cycle management, all of it.
And of course, last but not the least, a growing economy, a growing company always needs new talent, the best talent, the right talent, which is the best fit for their company, and which is where PHI comes in, and which is a very, very refreshing approach that we provide the right quality manpower at a very, very quick turnaround time and at a very, very competitive cost. We as a firm believe that we must know the company, its people, its culture, its business, and accurately diagnose what are the issues, and then develop and design what is to be done, and then also work hand in hand with the managers in implementing those. We provide the right quality manpower at a very, very quick turnaround time and at a very, very competitive cost.
Typically, consultants give reports advising companies. We have gone much beyond that. So we work with the leaders, we work with the senior management team, we build policies in the organization which do not think case-to-case basis and as of now, but look at long-term view of the organization, and also we build up systems and processes. Whatever we implement within an organization, it is something which really supports the business.
One of the most powerful offering that PHI can make to its customers is the capital or the intellectual breadth and the depth of experience that the leadership team that brings. If I talk about Biva, Anup and myself, among us, we have more than 70 years of managerial experience in really blue chip companies that we have worked in.
We have the expertise of ramping up organizations. Our client retention is about 98%. We help organizations in terms of turning them around, in terms of improving their productivity. We have worked for organizations and brought down the attrition by about 20-25%. Employee engagement we have improved by about 30% in organizations. Typically, all these result in larger profits for the organization.
PHI brings in a very, very potent combination, which is huge intellectual capital, a good team that supports the leadership team and also executes at the front line, and PHI's deep belief in the 3D approach, that is diagnose, design and deliver. PHI ensures that it doesn't leave the client just with a project report, but make sure that the solution is implemented together with the help of PHI consultants, and we get to see the final results desired by the clients.